Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the digital token. What is meant by digital token? Actually, it is an electronic payment system. So another name for digital system, digital token is the electronic payment system. That is, the digital token is the new form of electronic payment system which is based on the electronic tokens rather than the e-check or e-cash. The electronic tokens are generated by the bank or some financial institutions. And then these are the types of payment. These are the methods we are using to pay the amount. So it is called as the payment methods. These are the methods are used here. The card payment, internet payment, mobile payment and person to person payment. Here the first one is the card payment. The card payment is divided into two types, the debit and credit. The debit or prepaid, credit or postpaid. The debit or prepaid is nothing but the user pay in advance for the privileges of getting information. So this is called as debit card. So the examples we can consider it as smart card and electronic passes and the store electronic money. So these are the suitable example for the debit or the prepaid card. The smart cards are the suitable example for the debit card. And the debit card means the card which can be used to withdraw the cash up to the limit protocol in the customer bank account. It has some certain limit. Based on that only we can withdraw the amount. So when we take the credit card or postpaid card means the server authenticates the customer and verifies with the bank that funds are adequate before purchase. So this is called as the postpaid card. For credit card, the small plastic cards are issued to the users of the system. The smart card also is a suitable example for this one. Here the credit cards we can use the small plastic cards are used for the issued for the user of the system. And the next one is digital token based electronic payment system. The electronic token. So what are the issues in that? We'll discuss here. Which types of token is to be used? So what type of many tokens are there? So here we should identify which type of token to be used. The next one is the means of settlement used. And the next one is approach to the security and the authentication. The questions of the risk. What are the risks in that? Before that you should analyze everything, then only you can use that card. And the next one is smart card. What is mean by smart card? Can hold up to 32,000 bytes. The newer smart card have math coprocessor. It performs the complex encryption routines quickly and improve the convergence and security of any transactions also. And the next one is it is plastic cards. Whether it is the magnetic strips and examples are the credit card. And next one is the electronic money cards. So that is the vendor specific cards are nothing but it's a smart card. These are the applications for the in the smart card, the pay phones, mobile communication, banking and retail, and electronic purse and health care and identity verifications and access control. These are the current applications. When we are using the smart card, we can get these are the applications for the smart card. And the advantages also, it's very flexible and this which will used to provide the security for the customer and the portability and increasing the data storage capacity and the reliability also. The main use of the when we are using the smart card, you can get these advantages if you are using the smart cards. Yeah, that's all about the digital token. Thank you.